Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to use Medium platform. So the first thing that we need to do is to open the media platform and sign in with your account. And if you don't know have an account, just sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or just create a regular account with your email. After that, you will find yourself in your home page here, and this is our home page. So basically, the first thing that you will see is those topics, and those are for you. So this is generated automatically by the website, or you can just go for specific topics from what you have chosen in the creation of your account, and this is for you. To read writing, you just click on the writing, and you see this the writing of the person or this user, and here you can just follow him. You can subscribe to the guide to get newsletter. You can bookmarks or save your these writings into your library. Also, you can see all this is like social media or something. You are just seeing the writings of other people. So basically, also you can write your own posts. So you go here, you start with the title, and for example, let's just go here, medium, start with medium. So then you start to telling your story or just writing what you want to write. Basically, you can have some other objects like images. You can have images that we will upload from. You can add video. Embed means to have some press or something. Also, you can have other things like videos, etc., or some codes. Basically, after that, all you will need to do is to go here. Also, you can give it some formatting, like having the font style like italic, bold. You can have some hyperlink, for example, hyperlink. Then you can resize your text. You can have a quote mark, like if this is a quotation. You can just do whatever you want. So basically, let's just take it from here. You can, as I said, you can add things like add a code block, like for example a TypeScript. You can do multiple things with your publication. Now, after you have do all what you want to write, you will need just to click on publish and add the topic in some preview or background or wallpaper, and you will have your post published. Also, you can go to your if you write a story, you will be headed to the same page. You can go to your stories to see your stories, or you can go to your library where you have saved all the stories that you have or writings that you have saved. Also, you can go to stats to see who is following you. So basically, that was the overview to our Medium account today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.